Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today I've got something truly mind-blowing for you. Ever wondered what's happening deep beneath our feet? I'm talking about Earth's core, one of the most mysterious places on our planet. You might think we've got it all figured out, but the truth is, we know shockingly little about the inner workings of our own Earth. Sure, we understand how the upper layers create mountains and earthquakes, but the deeper we go, the weirder it gets. So, here's the scoop. For decades, scientists have been fiercely debating how our planet's inner core is moving. Is it going forwards, backwards, side to side? Nobody knew for sure, until now. A brand new study published in Nature suggests that the core is actually backtracking relative to the Earth's surface. Yep, you heard that right. This new finding supports a controversial study from last year by researchers at Peking University. The Earth's inner core is a solid, crystallized iron sphere about the size of the moon. It's floating almost 5,000 kilometers beneath us in a sea of liquid iron, nickel, and other metals, known as the outer core. Because it's floating, nothing holds it in place. Professor John Vidal from the University of Southern California explains that we've known the inner core's movement has been changing since the 1990s. But we've been arguing about how it's changing. According to a USC press release, this new study provides unambiguous evidence that the inner core began to slow down around 2010. Imagine it like this. When a car slows down, it appears to move backward relative to another car moving at a constant speed. The same thing is happening with Earth's core. This is the first observed slowdown in 40 years and supports the theory that the core's speed changes in 70-year cycles. So how did they figure this out? The team studied repetitive earthquakes, specifically 121 quakes in the South Sandwich Islands between 1991 and 2023. They used seismographs in Canada and Alaska, even data from Soviet-era nuclear tests. Vidale and his team searched for matching seismic waveforms from different times. If the inner core rotates independently, waves from recurring quakes would pass through different regions, creating unique waveforms. If the core had reversed its rotation, some waveforms should match those from before the reversal. When I first saw the seismograms that hinted at this change, I was stumped, Vidale said. But when we found 24 more observations signaling the same pattern, the result was inescapable. The inner core had slowed down for the first time in many decades. At the surface level, the effects are still uncertain. Vidale noted it could slightly alter the length of our day by about 1,000th of a second, almost imperceptible amid the noise of the churning oceans and atmosphere. What's next for the team? They plan to measure more waveforms from different locations and paths through the planet. As Vidale puts it, part of it is just waiting. The core is moving back through some positions where it did some weird things around 2001, so we'll try figuring out what that was. So there you have it. The strange truth about Earth's core is finally being revealed. Keep your curiosity alive and stay tuned for more incredible discoveries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing science content. Catch you next time.